Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In one of my previous videos, I was talking about the contract for replacing the engines for United States Air Force B-52 bomber fleet. And we also saw the companies which were competing for this particular deal. The companies which were competing in this deal were the General Electric, Rolls-Royce, and Pratt & Whitney. This video will provide details about one more contract in which both General Electric and Pratt & Whitney are competing again. And the deal which I'm talking about here is for the engine supply for the upcoming F-15EX Eagle II fighter jets. The F-15EX Eagle II is the latest fighter jet for the United States Air Force, and the ceremony to reveal this particular twin-engine aircraft happened at Eglin Air Force Base in Florida. This model of F-15 is the latest in a long line of aircraft with similar names dating back to 1970s. There are many improved features in this fighter like high-definition color touchscreen, complete fly-by-wire capability, and ability to plug software code into the fighter for a new sensor or weapon. Now coming back to the deal, even though Pratt & Whitney offered the latest version of F-100, which is F-100 PW229, the contract went to General Electric, which produced the engines for the first lot of 8 F-15EX aircrafts. The engine which was offered by General Electric is F110-GE-129. So to be more precise, General Electric will be the sole provider of engines for the F-15EX Eagle II under the $1.6 billion contract with the United States Air Force. General Electric will supply 29 engines for the production of 12 Boeing F-15EX. The new contract covers engines for the second lot and beyond, with the possibility of supplying up to 329 engines for the future F-15EX Eagle II twin-engine fighter jets. As per the United States Air Force sources, the deliveries will start in October 2023 and run through June 2031 tentatively. Even according to me, General Electric engines are a good choice since GE has delivered more than 3,400 F110 engines worldwide and have flown more than 10.5 million hours. Even Indian Air Force, majority of fighters are powered using General Electric engines, including the upcoming Tejas fighter variants. So even in future, if Indian Air Force goes for F-15EX fighter jets, it will have a good compatibility with General Electric. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.